For assembling, you need the Nokia Standard Toolkit version 2. Remove the protective tape from the flash boot. Place the flash boot as shown to the engine board. Press it gently from the shown places with the SS93. Be careful not to damage the springs. Place the camera so that the guiding pin is aligned correctly. Press the camera to its place gently with the SS93. Remove the earpiece from its packaging with tweezers. When placing the earpiece, check that the pins are aligned correctly. Gently push the earpiece to its place. Remove the earpiece protective film. Place the earpiece boot with tweezers and press it gently to attach it to the earpiece. Push in the top part of the engine board to the body assembly as shown. Be careful not to damage the 3 shown connectors. Check that the USB connector is correctly aligned. Lower down the bottom end of the engine board. Use the SS93 to connect the 3 shown connectors. Be careful not to damage the connectors or any components nearby. Remove the battery sponge protective tape. Carefully attach the battery sponge to the battery connector as shown. Check that the battery sponge is aligned correctly. Insert the battery to the battery compartment with the bottom end first. Connect the battery connector with the SS93. Be careful not to damage the connector or components nearby. Place the bottom end of the chassis to the body assembly as shown. Lower down the top end of the chassis. Press the chassis gently so that it snaps to its place. Tighten the 6 Torx Plus, size 5 screws to the torque of 12 Nm in the order shown. Remove the 2 proximity flex protective tapes. Place the proximity flex as shown. Activate the proximity flex adhesive by pressing from the shown places gently with the SS93. Be careful not to damage the proximity flex. Hold the window frame as shown and connect the proximity connector and the display connector with the SS93. Be careful not to damage the connectors. Lower down the bottom end of the window frame. Push the bottom end of the window frame into the body assembly. Press the window frame from all sides to attach it to the body assembly. Start from the right side of the window frame. Remove the protective film from the top end of the device. Tighten the two Torx Plus, size 5 screws to the torque of 9 Nm in the order shown. Push in the USB door to its place. Hold the USB door firmly when pushing it in, so that it does not bend. Push in the SIM door. Close the USB door. Remove the display protective film. Remove the protective film from the volume keys, the power key and from the camera key. Remove the body assembly protective film. Remove the camera protective film. Now the Nokia Lumia 800 assembly procedure is complete.